Effective leadership should have developed people skills or the so-called soft skill, and sometimes called the interpersonal skills. And this includes communication, delegation, and empowerment, engaging all employees or organizational members in decision-making that affects them. Effective leadership, you need to develop fully your interpersonal skills, and that includes the set of skills including motivation, communication, delegation, engagement, and these are only some of the factors required as a set of skills needed in your operations. Thank you.